For 4 crazy people, not just in general, 4 crazy people, as long as you're 18 and up, and you don't have a good time. We got mom right over here. Boom, that's 1. Right over here. I'll get 1 more. I need a guy. Let's get this side. You 2 over here. Now from this side, who do we got? Oh, it's gotta be you. Yeah, it's gotta be you. You're going over there. We're gonna go down the line. First, tell us your name, where you're from.
Arlene from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Arlene, right over here. South Carolina. Arlene, this is what's gonna happen. DJ's gonna play a song, and basically when the song happens, let the music consume you, and you need to drop it like it's hot. Okay? But 80s style. 80s style. It's gonna be an 80s dance-off. The best 80s dance-off is gonna win a prize. Let's see what she's got. Here's the name in 3, 2, 1. Take it away. 80s. Feel it. Let the hair out. Oh, yes! Oh, here comes the hair. Oh, we're in a mom shake. Now shake it, mama. Shake it. Everybody, sing it. Next up, wise guy over here. He's following your heart. Oh yeah. All right. Tell us your name. Where you from?
Ronnie from Shelby, North Carolina.
Ronnie, North Carolina. All right, Ronnie. Again, he's just gonna play a song. Just leave it all on the dance floor. Don't worry. You're doing 64 things. And that's from North Carolina, which everybody is. All right, DJ, take it away. Oh. There you go. Move it, Ronnie. Move it. Oh. There we go, Ronnie. There we go. Oh, don't break anything. Stop it. All right, make some noise for Ronnie right over here. What's her name here, Ronnie? Back up. All right, next up. Tell the audience your name, where you're from.
Jane from Chesapeake, Virginia.
Make some noise, Jane. Jane, all right. DJ plays the song, just let the hair out and just have fun. Let's see what she's got. DJ, take it away. Oh. Okay, step much. Oh. Come on, DJ, come on. Get ready. Yeah, baby, sing it. I love rock and roll. Make some noise for Jane right over here. All right, next up. Oh, this is the big one. All right. Tell us your name, where you're from.
Big Ben from Maryland.
Alright, Big Ben. I'm worried about you, actually. I'm afraid about this. Watch the Junior Cruiser. Watch the Junior Cruiser. Ben. She don't know that. Alright. Let's see what Big Ben's got, DJ. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh. Let's go, Big Ben. Get out that inner microphone. Never seen Michael do that move. Okay. Fight it. Work it. Follow. Give me a little hit. There, but not at me. What do you do? Put that up. No! Stop it! What do you do? He's angry. No! She's getting back to business. Stop it. What's the happening? Alright. No, give it up for Big Ben. All right, I'm getting out of here. I'm coming up. That was so scary. All right. My dancers, come back. My dancers, come back. Dancers, come back. All right. First of all, I think they all did an amazing job. Can we give a round of applause for all our dancers? All right. Which one was rocking it out the most? Was the contestant number 1? Make some noise. There we go. Was the contestant number 2? Make some noise. Was the contestant number 3? Make some noise. Was the contestant number 4? Make some noise. That's just because you're scared of them. That's why. It's a big one. All right. First of all, I think I'm going to give them all a prize right now. Go over to the bar. Everyone gets a drink on me. But doing the bragging rights, taking home the trophy and the gold, make some noise for Big Ben right over here. Big Ben takes it. If you all get prizes and drinks on me, go see Terrence. He's going to hook you up. All right. Let's go ahead. Get ready. Catch. Now, I said now. Try it. Get ready. Snap, crackle, and snap, crackle, and pop. Crackle, and pop. Snap, crackle, and get ready. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! 1, 2, 3. Snap. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 15.
It ain't a ship on a stick, but
here they go.
we love it.
Not bad. All right, let's see what else is going on in my fanny pack.
What you got in there? What's in the fanny pack?
What's in the fanny pack?
What?
You want to see what's in the fanny pack?
What's
in the fanny pack? All right, next up, what we're going to do, what we're going to go ahead and do. You're going to give me your hands up. Everyone's hands up, both hands up. Bend the hands, give me hey. All right. Stare at somebody you don't know. Stare at somebody you don't know. Yeah. Put a serious face on. Serious. Serious. When the music starts, you're going to play the world's angriest piano. Stare into each other's eyes, though. Awkwardly. Try not to laugh. First one to laugh loses. Hands up, get ready? DJ, take it away. Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Don't laugh. Look at where I cut it. What kind of piano is that? Sing it. Tonight you're off tonight. Must have been something I said. Play it. Don't laugh. Now emotion, come on. Now dancing, clapping, dancing, working, dancing. Take the emotions out. Sway, clapping. Get ready. Woo. Get ready. Sing it. Sing it. Louder.
Must have been something to say.
More emotion. With the most Egyptians wins. DJ, take it away. Let's go.
You gonna let the difference?
The most Egyptians. I'm counting. Here we go. Oh. There's a lot of Egyptians over here. choose which side had the most Egyptians. It looked pretty close.
Ooh la la. All right. Most of you were doing a great job, but
All of them were good.
I think so too.
Put that baby down your stomach. Alright, pretty good. It's okay, son. You can redeem yourself later. I believe in you later. Everyone on this side, you all get a free ride back to Charleston tomorrow. Free ride. Means you guys should get to stay here another day.
Here we are after the 80s party.
What I said.
And what are you talking
He
about?
said he puts his hands in every picture with any other woman so his wife knows she ain't grabbing nobody's ass.
I understand. That's like Chad, ain't it? Woo!
Chad should
That's how Chad should be. This is the Epic Rock Show. Oh!
Somebody to love and meet somebody to love and meet somebody to love and
I made that one. We'll be done in 5 minutes. Margarita, yeah, margarita. We nailed it. He likes that.
And 2 of them live.
Lock.
So you guys had kids when you were like 19, 20-ish?
10. They're all my grade.
10?
I was not 10. That's Caleb's number. I called him. He'll confirm it. She's got
how old were you when you were a baby?
She's got 2.
How young were you when you had a baby?
17.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
10.
But she'd been married 2 years. No lies, she'd been married 2 years.
I did get married at 15.
Not to him. He's
Not to me.
He's not a pedophile.
I'm husband number 4.
He is.
Number 4?
Yeah, hey, you know, if they don't act right, you kick them to the ground and try again.
Oh my.
She had 3 kids with her first one, 5 kids with her second one, 7 kids with the third one. I had 4
And
children.
9 kids with him.
Hey,
We don't have any kids.
look, she in her genre. She don't know what's going on.
We've been together 8 years, and
Look,
how many kids together? We have 5 kids between.
We've been together longer than Ronnie and Alma have.
4 of them are adults. One of them is almost 15. My baby. And then we have 7 grandchildren.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's like
My
Dr.
daughter moved
Seuss.
out and moved back in with a baby. And then had another baby.
Got it going on. Woo!